Have you ever been in a place where everything seemed to be falling apart? When no matter what you tried, nothing worked? When it felt like the whole world was against you, your efforts were fruitless, and your doers were left hanging in the air without answers? It's in those moments of deep silence and darkness that doubt begins to whisper, "Has Allah forgotten me?" But the reality is far more beautiful than our limited understanding. What if, in those very moments when you feel lost and abandoned, Allah is closer than ever, silently rearranging the world around you in ways your eyes cannot yet see, and your heart cannot yet understand? The truth is, Allah's help often doesn't come with loud signs or dramatic changes. Sometimes, it arrives in the quietest ways, in moments that seem small, insignificant, or even painful. Yet these are the very moments where divine intervention is at work. Islam teaches us that Allah is closer to us than our jugular vein. He knows our fears, hears our cries, and is fully aware of every tear we shed in secret. The Quran reminds us, "And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out." Even when we feel stuck, lost, or alone, Allah is already creating a path, one that will become visible when the time is right. Let's now explore 7 powerful signs that Allah is silently helping you, even when it feels like nothing is happening. These signs are not coincidences, they are divine messages, whispers from the unseen world, assuring you that your Lord is always near. Number 1. Doors closing. Think back to moments when everything you wanted slipped away. A job, a relationship, a plan you had set your heart on. At the time, it felt like rejection. But now, with hindsight, perhaps you can see it was protection. The Quran says, "But perhaps you hate a thing, and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing, and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not." When a door closes in your life, it may not be a punishment, it may be divine mercy. Allah, in His wisdom, redirects you away from things that could break you or delay your growth. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What is Allah protecting me from?" Sometimes, closed doors are redirections towards something greater than what you imagined. Number 2. Unexplained calmness. In the midst of turmoil, when your world seems to be crumbling, there's a kind of calm that sometimes descends, a strange, quiet peace that doesn't make sense logically. That peace is not your doing, it's a divine gift. The Quran says, "And we strengthened their hearts with firmness." Allah places peace into the hearts of His servants during moments when it should feel impossible to stay strong. If you've ever faced a trial and felt oddly calm, like something beyond you was holding you steady, that was Allah's silent presence. He knows your limit, and when you reach it, He sustains you with His mercy. Number 3. Guidance through subtle signs. Allah speaks to us in countless ways, through verses, people, events, or even feelings. Have you ever been struggling with a question or hardship, only to come across a verse in the Quran, a hadith, or a piece of advice that felt like it was meant just for you? That's not random. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "I have left you with 2 things. You will never go astray as long as you hold on to them, the Book of Allah and my Sunnah." These signs, big and small, are Allah guiding your heart and decisions. They are divine responses without words, showing you that you're not walking alone. Pay attention to the moments that make your heart feel seen. They are signs that Allah is guiding you softly and lovingly. Number 4. Delays that teach patience. In our world of instant gratification, we often view delays as denials. But with Allah, every delay has a reason. Have you ever prayed for something over and over, and it still hasn't come? The waiting can be agonizing, but Allah's delay is never a rejection. The Quran says, "And be patient, for indeed Allah does not allow the reward of those who do good to be lost." Sometimes, the wait is Allah preparing your heart, your life, and your circumstances to be ready for something better. Patience is a silent act of trust. Trust that Allah's wisdom sees what your eyes cannot. His timing is perfect, even when it doesn't match your expectations. Number 5. Protection from the unseen. Have you ever missed a flight only to hear later that it was delayed or had issues? Have you ever felt an unexplainable pull away from a place, a person or a decision, only to realize later that it was for your good? These are not accidents. The Quran reminds us, and whoever puts his trust in Allah, He is sufficient for him. Allah protects you not only from physical harm, but also from emotional, spiritual, and even financial harm, sometimes without you ever knowing. Every time you were lucky to avoid a bad situation, it wasn't luck, it was divine care. Allah shields you in ways you don't even recognize until much later, if ever. Number 6. Help arriving from where you least expect. There are moments when, just as you're about to give up, help comes from a friend, a stranger, or even a message or opportunity you weren't expecting. These are not just coincidences. Allah says in the Quran, when He provides for him from where he does not expect. Whether it's financial relief, emotional support, or a sudden open door, these are signs that Allah is always aware of your needs and responds in the most unexpected, beautiful ways. Even when you can't see Him working, He is aligning things perfectly to bring you the help you need when you need it most. Number 7. Growth through painful challenges. Sometimes, the very difficulty you wish away is the one shaping you into the person you're meant to become. Every test has a lesson, every hardship, a hidden blessing. The Quran says, indeed, with hardship comes ease. Notice how the verse doesn't say after hardship comes ease, but with it. That means even inside the pain, the growth is happening. Even in loss, Allah is planting seeds of strength, humility, and faith. When you look back at the hardest moments of your life, you'll often find they were turning points, moments that made you stronger, wiser, and more connected to your Creator. These 7 signs are Allah's way of whispering, I am here. They are not always loud or obvious. They are gentle signs, wrapped in stillness, that remind us of His constant presence. Even when the world feels silent, even when your du'as seem unanswered, know that something is shifting behind the scenes. Trust in Allah. Keep your faith firm. Keep your heart open to the quiet signs, the gentle guidance, and the silent interventions, because the truth is, you are never truly alone, not even for a second.